How about a little GMC muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics? All right, first of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile truck, just 50,318 on this one at the moment. And that's right, little muscle underneath the hood, that 4.3 liter turbocharged V6. Automatic with overdrive trans. Let's take a look at the blacked out grille, front bumper. We'll face you down below with the driving lights in it. As you can see, black paint has a nice shine to it. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll see the bed, truck from every angle. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Syclone wheel. General radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It is black. It's been driven. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, you can see that paint has a nice shine to it. A few accessories added on with the window visors up above here, as well as the soft snap-on tonneau cover. Nice and straight those panels are. One little tiny, I don't know if I can get it to show up or not, one little tiny ding right there, but again, that's being awful fussy. This one's looking clean. All right, do want to show you the bed also. That is in nice shape. It's not all beat up. Soft tonneau cover, also good shape. All right, just a couple notes from the technician that looked at this in our service department. Said it drove out beautifully. No shakes or vibrations. Jason will take it for a drive. Stick around to the end of the video. Brakes straight. Brakes for 50% in the front, 80% in the rear. Just some minor powertrain weeps, kind of common on a vehicle that's driven or a little bit older. And once again, all those still pics, you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side. If you like these Cyclones or Typhoons, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Look at the reflection of that paint. It's almost mirror-like. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. These videos are uploaded daily. When we upload the videos, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online right off our showroom floor. All right, I did want to mention AC will need a little care as far as blowing cold. Not blowing cold at the moment. Power windows, power locks working, wipers working. You can also see tilt column, cruise control, and these seats. Very nice condition. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Cyclone embroidery. Now, if I get right on top of them, they do wash out a little bit. It is a darker, almost charcoal, the black color. In nice shape. All right, let's fire this up. There's your exact miles. 57,318. Tachometer working. As far as gauges, oil pressure up, battery gauge up, fuel gauge up, and that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Top of the dash looking good. Mentioned the radio is working. And a couple aftermarket gauges down below for oil pressure and boost. Headliner looking good. windows nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Of course, extremely quick vehicle, especially for 1991. They will hook up and get up and go. There's no doubt about that. This one isn't going to sit there and spin its tires. Alright, let's get a look underneath the hood. Hood liner nice and clean. I also wanted to mention transmission recently rebuilt and also has a new fuel pump. There's a good look at that engine bay. Look at how clean and tidy that is. There you can see the turbocharger. AC has been converted from the R12 to 134A. Would need a little tear to get it to blow cold, and then of course power steering, power brakes. Good looking engine bay, clean and tidy, running smooth. There it is, 1991 GMC Syclone. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Be close to 100 online. And yes, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a fun truck from 1991, the GMC Syclone, the all-wheel drive mini truck that was faster than some Ferraris. This is an automatic right here between the seats, so it's easy to drive fast. Let's first of all get out here and see how she does. And you're up to speed in no time. Hear that little whoop whoop as you let off the throttle because the turbo is doing some work. Turn signal indicators are working. All our gauges appear to be working well. The tachometer, the speedometer says we're doing 50 right now. Oil pressure on the factory gauge shows about 40 to 50 psi. Down below the dash we have an additional gauge that's also showing 53 psi. The battery is charging over halfway. The temperature is about a third of the way up. The fuel gauge shows about halfway. Down below the dash there is a boost gauge functioning as well as the factory boost gauge. The blower motor works on this car. Truck, I should say. The radio.
Wow.
Sorry, the radio also works. Love it when you get them talking rather than music. Brakes nice and smooth, corners nicely as well. All-wheel drive, you're not gonna do a burnout, you're gonna launch. This truck is fun to drive. Good condition inside and out. Cruise control working as well. Beautiful seats. They did custom seats on these with cloth and red piping. Door panels as well. An icon from the early 90s, the GMC Syclone. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.